Today is the day that all the students, they clean the classrooms, like do a really good job cleaning. And also, today is Mamboly Hazo Day, which is planting trees. So at the Lycée here, the students are planting trees. Behind me is that's Rose right there, yeah, and Georgette and a bunch of other students. So let's go check out the clean classroom. There we go. It's the clean classroom. It's I gotta see the clean classroom. There's the classroom. They're over there cleaning. What are you doing? Manawin na?
Mandiw. Clean.
Clean what?
Classroom.
All right, so yeah, there you have it.
School.
Yeah, so they're cleaning the classroom, and she's got a bucket of water here to clean. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Well. Okay. So, yeah. So today's the cleaning day and Mamboly Hazo Day. So bye bye.
Bye.
Me, Charles, Tahina, and Sevion.